You guys remember the Galaxy Note 9? I dropped it last, I guess, 2 weeks before by having a case on it from the company name as a sub case, and they claim to be MIL 880 certified, but still my phone got broke. And here's a proof. I just spent 21,000 rupees in just repairing the Galaxy Note 9 display. This is a Pocophone F1 and this is the Moto E5 Plus. Both are dead. Even though this accident happened intentionally, we did it, but the same accident may happen accidentally. So these kinds of disaster can be avoided by having a maybe a basic tempered glass costing 100 rupees on that. But today I got a product. This is from the company name as a SG Fresh Ideas, and this particular product is named as a InvisiShield tempered glass. And if you go to their website, so they make a lot of accessories for most of the smartphones like the Apple, Samsung, Sony, OnePlus, Google, LG, Xiaomi. Hey, the Pocophone F1 is also available, Huawei and other stuff. So this is the Singapore company. You guys need to purchase it, but still I will say you should bought it. So OnePlus 6, you remember I showed you one of the product from the same company that was one of the best tempered glass you can try for the OnePlus 6, but this is some crazy product. So to apply this tempered glass on the Galaxy Note 9 or any other smartphone that we saw there, you need a UV light, and there is no glue on the screen. You need to rely on this simple solution, and it is called as a Loka, not the Loki character that you see on the Avengers movie. This is Loka. There's a solution here. Now I'm not going to show you guys in this video the installation steps. There's a professional video made from the same company. I followed the step and it took me maximum 10 to 15 minutes to finish everything and ready to use product. So this is the product in front of you, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. It is the perfect tempered glass. Let me increase the brightness so you guys can feel and see how beautiful it looks like. It just completely covering everything else. There is no bubbles at all. Sensitivity is great. I'm using it from last 2 to 3 days. I didn't have any kind of problem. So if you have money, you can buy this, import this glass from Singapore. It is very great, and I'll tell you, trust me, this is super great product. I generally don't show you any kind of stuff until this is really very great. So do follow the original link in the description. I'll just tell you some of the basic precautions that you should take. So you should get this much kind of packaging, and you will have some usual alcohol pad, and this is the very important, the dusting pad. Keep dusting is trigger actually, so you need to keep that with you. It is very important. And other than that, you are getting a cloth, and this is this is called as a leveler. You have to use it and make sure your phone is on the proper level, and some more cloths, and you get some nano coating that will make your tempered glass new technology. After pasting film, you can use it to make the film more smoother. If you're facing some kind of a sensitivity issue, like, you should apply this thing to make your screen more smooth. And you have this, I don't know what you call it, something is here, and inside that you will get this UV glass. This is actually UV rays. You need to use the micro USB to apply that, and there is a glass itself and some set of extra glues that you can call it as a Loka. So this is called as a Loka, and on the tempered glass itself there is no such glue at all, and it comes like that. It is slightly curved, as you can see here. So those are all things you are getting inside the package. Now to apply that, first you need to make sure clean your phone perfectly with the alcohol pad. So once you have that thing done, all you need to do, just have to remove this particular glue, and just have to paste all the glue, you just have to empty all the glue on the complete center, and make sure it stays on the center. There should not be any kind of extra bubbles here and there, otherwise you may get some kind of problem. All you have to do, just to make sure so that you apply the glass properly, just use such kind of thing, just make sure with your hand and apply. Now once you see it is proper, you just have to release it gently so that all the glue spreads here on the fine. And if you still see like it's not in the proper aligned position, you can just adjust it a bit here. Now in my case, I moved it slightly over here, so still it is covering the screen, but if you just notice closely, then you can feel that thing. you can apply it here. So that way, just do not apply any pressure, use this cloth, and if you see any extra stuff there, you just have to make sure you remove that thing. And after that, this is your UV light. So just connect that to the USB port and it will glue on the blue color. We just have to make sure to keep that thing here for at least 2 to 3 minutes for the same position, then here 2 to 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. So overall, I guess you should do that for 15 minutes. So from here to here, 5 places, so that your glue or Loca will become completely hard. And after that, you can use this nano coating to make your tempered glass more smooth. So those are some basic precaution. If you follow those things, you can say this is one of the perfect tempered glass you can get for the any of the curved screen or whatever smartphone we saw there. The touch is very great, sensitivity is very great. I don't see any kind of problem, it's almost invisible. So yeah, you can buy from the official website. You need to pay maybe some of the shipping charges. So, alright guys, that's been it for this super high-tech UV rays tempered glass. What I can say, hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned, have a great day.